So I'm going to talk about Bracharia. It's a type of grass that is established in the farm. It's a tropical grass which is established in Eastern and Central Africa. It has a great biomass, and it has a good nutritive value at a CP of 16%. It's a wide and climatic condition pasture roughage that is grass that is it does better in rainfall of 700 millimeters and the temperatures not below 19 degrees Celsius. We have several varieties. The most common in central areas is Morato 2 and Cayman. Establishment, you can use seeds or sprigs, that is the roots sprigs. During establishment of seed, you prepare the land well just before onset of the rains. Then you prepare deep furrows, that is 1 centimeter deep furrows, and 50 centimeters wide from one furrow to the other, and 1 centimeter deep for the furrows. And you have to consider if you have enough seeds, you can use the deep furrow system where you make lines and establish the seeds, and also you can use the other line where you might have small roots, small seeds to establish, and that you might prepare a nursery that you make 1 centimeter deep, 5 centimeters wide from one furrow to the other. Then we have the seeds, the nursery. You cover them well. After establishment, you cover them well with a branch of a tree, and then you water effectively, and they should germinate between 5 to 7 days. And then after germination, you expose it for hardening to the climatic conditions, and then it is ready for transfer by 8 weeks. That you transfer from the nursery to the prepared land. So we have the other option, that is the sprigs. We have to source good sprigs from somewhere else where you get there's no diseases and pests, where the roots they should be prepared just before onset of the rains, or just the first rains have started. When you access the sprigs, then you use 20 to 30 centimeters planting levels from one sprig to the other, and 50 centimeters wide from one furrow to the other, best on onset of the rains. So we have pest and disease control. When you source good pastures from the neighbors, from the source, when it is a good land and has free from diseases, so you have no problems with the establishment. In cases we have the red spider mite that strikes during the dry season, and the sorghum shoot fly also occurs during the dry season, where they affect the growth stage of the bracharia, where they eat the stems, the shootings of the bracharia, and hence there you will not have enough results for production of the good pasture for the bracharia. It can be, once it is established well, then you have good nutritive and good biomatic bracharia results. So when you manage your pastures well, you experience good results. Harvesting, you have 3 to 4 harvesting of bracharia from 3 months to 4 months after establishment, and there is subsequent harvesting, that is 8 to 10 weeks, depending on proper management of the feed of the pasture in the lands. So when they are well managed, you can have subsequent harvesting, and thus you make a good fodder out of it. So then the Bracharia has several benefits. So that is produces high forage biomass, and has high crude protein content. It's pest and diseases resistant when properly managed. We have it's a drought tolerant grass. Unless it is established, establishment is very easy. It doesn't need the splits, which because the splits they germinate easily compared to the seeds, though they don't take longer before harvesting. So then it degenerates very fast, and also it will controls weeds in your farm. Thank you.